last part of this is to reduce simplify, and put the fraction into lowest terms. All of these mean the exact same thing. So what we're going to do in order to do that is we are going to use factors, and we're looking for the greatest common factor. So I'm going to put it here. Reduce, simplify, lowest terms by using GCF, which stands for greatest common, and common means alike or same, by using the greatest common factor. So I'm going to put negative, well, I don't have to put negative. I'm going to put 440 here, and I'm going to put 264 here. And we are going to write factors of 440. Factors are the two small numbers that multiply together to give you an answer. This is called the multiple. These two small numbers are what's called the factors. So we start out with 1 times 440. Those are the first two factors. In order to find out the other factors, we're going to take 440 and we're going to divide it by 2. So you can use your calculators on this. That gives us 220. That means 2 times 220 gives us 440. So let's check it. So you do 440 divided by 2, and that equals 220. So that means that 2 times 220, those are our two factors, is equal to 440. That is correct. And you're just going to keep doing it until you find all the factors or the small numbers that multiply to give you 440. So divided by 3, that gives us a decimal. So that means that 3 is not a factor. 440 divided by 4. That means 4 times 110. So we're finding all of the what? The factors. 440 divided by 5. So that means 5 times 88. 440. 440 divided by 6. That gives us a decimal, so 6 is not a factor. Always hit your AC or your C to clear out the calculator so that you don't get your numbers mixed up. So 440 divided by 7 gives us a decimal, clear. 440 divided by 8 gives us 55. So now we have 8 times 55. And these are all factors. So now we have 440 divided by 9. 440 divided by 10 gives us 44. So we have 10 times 44. 440 divided by 11. So now we have 11 times 40. 440 divided by 12, decimal. And you might want to go up to 20. That's the standard. So we did 12. Now let's do 13. Now we'll do 14. Now we'll do 15. Now we'll do 16. And we'll do 17. And we'll do 18. 19, 20, and we got 22. So we have 20 times 22. And this is how you know that you're almost done with the factors. Now we need to try, all we need to do is try the numbers between 20 and 22. The only number between 20 and 22 is 21. So let's see if 21 is a factor. If 21 is not a factor, that means that we're done. So now 440 divided by 21, which gives us a decimal, so that means that 21 is not a factor. So you draw your little U shape because the next number that's a factor of 440 is going to be 22. On it this way, so let's try it. 440 divided by 22. So that means that everything starts repeating here. Okay, so these are all of the factors of 440. And we're looking for the biggest, which we call the greatest number, greatest factor, that they both have in common.